Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development. Final of World Cup Clinics 2025. I'm joined by the greatest coaches we've ever had as South Africa. One of the greatest coaches, Coach Atta Zwane. Coach Atta, welcome to the show.
Ngiyabonga Putumta.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu. Coach Atta uze lana uzobukela ibhola uSasulu Clinics ufema talent. Coach Atta ngicimbuza nithathu for wena just Coach Atta development football kubaluleke ngani ukuthi kube ne relationship enhle between coaches and parents, because we coaching ngane from under 9 up until zizoyifike ko 20 years. Kubaluleke ngani ukuthi kube ne relationship between parents and coaches?
I think ganingi some coaches, some parents, and at the same time futhi ukhumbula ukuthi umuntu before uba ucoach.
Yeah.
So indlela okhuliswe ngayo nawe ekhaya ofuna ukuyimphatha to others, and also the experience, because kaningi coaches usuke ufunde ukuthizeni somewhere lokho ufuna ukushare nabantu. So our coaches today, we are not only football coaches, some psychologists, counsel abantwana.
Yeah.
Challenges more especially more we coach at CAS.
Yeah.
So you understand.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen,
challenges
so many things that are happening behind the scenes. Some of them
you want to go. And that's how
you are their control. But now is that is why we when you're gonna sort of like tough love. Now because you start more especially when you see potential. More potential, you don't want that player to fail because you understand where he comes from. Ekaya, challenges as Ekaya. And also you see this as a way of coming out of poverty, and also changing your life, talent, and usually say, "Guma players support."
Their first game, they showed their intention. They hard enough. They managed to get out of their expected dreams.
It's totally
they were sitting some of the tempo, and they put their
player, he relies on Bumsindo, from but the gifted players, they are guided. They know what they want. They don't have nothing in terms of business.
They were influential in
so that's the difference. So we try to help abantwana bethu, especially laba bane talent ne gift, labo ba special. Then you try to make sure ukuthi ba blossoma nge speed or talent level liba exposed news. Baba a very good example.
Kakhulu babukela mangithe iningi kakhulu okushilo kodwa kubaluleke kakhulu engithatha ezwa ama-coaches bonke o-coach abasemakhasi. Let's want to reach level atazwana afike kuyona. You need to be a parent kulabantwana obacoachayo, take care of them, understand them situation yasekhaya nani. Coach Atta ziningi intwana ezidlalayo njengala kuma World Cup Clinics, they're very talented. So what advice can you give to them ukuthi kumele bayilandele in order for them to maybe one day reach the highest level?
Close to 30 years.
So I think it's 23 years this year.
So now you can imagine. I also actually discovered this tournament being here, would have got this talent as well. And I started coaching while I was still playing. So all the players who participated with the tournament ngifuna ukachiva.
Yeah.
They wanted to add numbers.
Mr. Peter,
And they wanted to make him.
you should be able to put that in my account. Why not?
I believe
let the chief and my
those who did not manage to go
I would
to the finals or knockout stages.
that way, money to be of course. Fishing in my account.
So
maybe they can go to Durban, Cape Town,
they never fly. We're not willing to
great epic some goodbye.
outgrown at the stage.
Yeah.
But again, bangabuye bazodlala
Yeah, it's
abanikeza
banikeza abanye.
so that kube competition.
Sina more
Players amaningi azo
yokuphumela
national first division
DDC,
or it can be DDC, it can be ungaba nenhlanhla eningi ukuthi uphume from straight from last straight to PSL. Kuya ngokuthi ubona
bobani netalente la.
So yeah, they must use it as a stepping stone.
And now we'll ship over
Badlala
to
football
your court.
if they want
We will have
as benze izinto nge-purpose.
Ringo Stars.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mangetho njengoba seshilo ucoach Ada ukuthi this is a stepping stone for most players naye udiscover italente lakhe le coaching khona la kuma World Sasulu. Ucoach Ada sasa kunomntana umthathe kakhulu ngomlandeli bedlala ngakho ijezi number 21 that boy is a star. Ngiyathemba bonke abantu ababukayo emakhaya bazomlandelela bekadlala Highlands Park under 19 was the captain bekadlala nala udliwe izolo bedliwa yona imfulo bambiza ngoPokemon. That boy is a star. I so wish abantu ababukelayo they can maybe bamlandelele lo mfana bazoyibona lento esibonile sibaningi esibonile. Coach Ada siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. We Let's Talk Development Football ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe ni follow ku TikTok. Sisazolikhulisa ibhola la South Africa. Siyabonga Coach Ada ngesikhathi sakho.
Bonga mina Khotman yami.
Danko.
Ngiyabonga baba.